In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start selling on eBay. We're going to walk through the basic listing process from the seller dashboard all the way to publishing your item. This is a great starting point if you're new to selling and want a simple, clear way to get your first product live. To begin, go to eBay and click on Sell. This takes you into the seller area where you can manage listings and start creating new ones. Once you're there, click on Create Listing. That opens the listing flow and gets you ready to add your product. Next, type in the product you want to sell. Be as accurate as possible here, because eBay uses this information to suggest matching products and categories. A good match can save you time later by filling in some details for you automatically. After entering the product, select Find a Match. eBay will show possible results based on what you typed. From that list, click the matching item that best fits what you're selling. Try to choose the closest match, since this helps your listing appear more accurate and professional to buyers. Once you've chosen the matching product, click Continue. At this point, eBay will move you into the next part of the setup, where you define the condition of the item. In the Select Condition section, choose the option that fits your product. In this example, the selection is New with Tags. This condition is typically used for items that are brand new and still have their original tags attached, so make sure that matches what you're actually selling. After selecting the condition, click Continue again. Now you'll arrive at the main listing form. This is where you enter the product information. Take your time here, because this section is important. You'll want to review the title, item specifics, pricing, shipping details, and any other fields eBay asks you to complete. The more complete and accurate your listing is, the easier it can be for buyers to find your item and feel confident purchasing it. Before publishing, it's a good idea to quickly review everything one more time for accuracy. Make sure the product match is correct, the condition is right, and the listing detail reflect exactly what you're offering. When everything looks good, click List It. That will publish your product on eBay and make it available for buyers to see. And that's it. That's the basic process for starting your first eBay listing, from opening the seller tools to getting your item live.